Hey guys, I wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about what I did to adjust the website. So what Dr. McMillan really wanted to see was different pages for each bullet point. So you can see here that I added pages for each bullet point, and the way that I did that was I clicked here at pages, and then you can see a little plus sign here. And I just clicked new page and added those pages there. So you can go into your section. I haven't done any one section but mine, so I did the third bullet, which is what should students do to be safe when using email and internet. So let's just click there so you can see what my section looks like now. So I created a little question at the top for my header, and then I even included my name here at the bottom. She wanted our names to all be on the home page, so you can see right here in the left-hand corner that our names are still included here, and they're going to be in each section. What I did from there was I added a collapsible text, since she wanted like 2 to 3 paragraphs about your particular topic. And the way I did that was I clicked insert, and then if you go down just a little bit, you'll see collapsible text. Okay, you can move that text around whatever section you want it in. I thought it might be best to put it in the first section, so you can see where it collapses here. Just clicking that arrow going up and down. If you want a background color, you can add an image there. You can either select an image or upload your own. I just kept it plain. Moving on to the next section, you'll see my 3 images here in just a moment when I click the preview, and I included the online safety sites. The way I did that was I just added an image carousel right here. That's what this is. You can see the 3 dots. I think you need at least 2 images to create a carousel, and of course we have to have 3. So I'll show you those here in a minute. And then I included my 3 websites along with the citations for each site, and each of those sites is a link. So I'll go to preview so you guys can see that real quick. So this is what it would look like when you're actually looking at it in the preview for someone who would be accessing the website. So there's my images, and you can set it to where they auto start and continue. There's my collapsible text. I'll put it back. There are my 3 links. You can see I hover over and I'm able to click on them. And what I did here was I just made that text small. You have the options to make it like a title, a subheader, or small, and I just kept it small so it looked a little bit better down there. And then here at the bottom, I used the layout where you have the 3 links. I'll go back to the editing. So I know we originally used this little layout where you had 3 different sections here. So what I did is I just re-added those YouTube videos that she wanted us to add, included the links here in their title, and then included their citations once again. And that's pretty much it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I tried to make it a little bit more manageable and a little bit more cohesive. But once again, I can't remember who did this section, but here's what is netiquette. So what they do is they just have kind of a blank section here. You can edit your text, kind of make it a little bit smaller if you want it more of a heading, and then whoever did this section, they would include their name. And once again, you can still see that all of our names are included in that top left-hand corner all the contributors to the actual project. And then from there, all you're doing is adding your paragraphs. So like I said, I did that with the collapsible text. I did the image carousel with the 3 images that she wanted, and then a text box with the 3 links and their citations, and then one more layout at the bottom with those YouTube videos. Like I said, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.